If you type it in on Google, they'll give you a meme. Yes, when you're pregnant, you do not have to. And no, when you're pregnant.
When I dance on that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek.
Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? My name is BLTA and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be what I ate for dinner in a week. I recorded this video because a lot of people always ask me, what do I eat because I'm vegetarian? Like there's not other foods to eat outside of meat. So this video is for those people who have those questions. And then when I got pregnant, even more people were asking me like, don't you have to eat meat since you're pregnant? It's like to get enough protein for the baby. And it's just like, no, there's protein in other foods that I can eat. But anyway, let's get on to this video. I want to let you know that this video was really hard for me to record, Erica. And anybody else who constantly asks me what I eat and want recipes. I mean, I'm not a chef or anything. I got all my recipes online, and down in the description box will be links to the videos or blogs that I got them from, because most of the recipes I use are like from people who are on YouTube. So yeah, the recipes that I use in this video, or the food that I'm eating in this video, if it has a recipe, I'm going to link it in the description box below. And hopefully this answers your questions of what I eat. I don't cook every day, so there's only 3 meals in this video. So clearly that means I eat leftovers, or I go out to eat some days, and sometimes I waste food and leave it in the refrigerator like everybody else. But this video is for people who have questions about what vegetarians eat / vegans, because most of the time when I cook at home, the food is vegan. I'm a vegetarian because I like cheese, so that's really literally the only reason. So when they make some cheese that excites me and makes me feel like I can eat it anytime. There are cheeses that I like, however, it has to be on something. It's not like I can go in the refrigerator and get a slice of cheese and just be like, ooh, this tastes so good. Yeah, it usually has to be on a sandwich or integrated with something else for it to taste good to me. So until then, I will be a vegetarian, but most of the time I don't need cheese. So if the meal doesn't need it, I guess you can add cheese almost on anything, but usually when I cook at home, like I said, it's vegan food. So these are some vegan items, and the recipes will be in the description box. And when you're pregnant, know that you do not need to eat meat to get protein. There's several other foods you can eat. If you type it in on Google, they'll give you a meme with things that have proteins, or a list with things that have protein that you can eat, if that's what you're trying to do, if you're trying to transition out, or if you just want to eat vegetarian food sometimes. It doesn't matter. Whatever floats your boat. Yeah, so that's it. Enough with my rants, and into this video.
Got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can't be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Oh my gosh, back at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood, they think I'm back trapping again. Oh my gosh, back at it again. All my grizzly niggas stacking again. Big up all that on me, packing again. Keep a quarter on me, backpacking the Benz.
Quiver, back at it, count up 100, the rest of it, yeah, my wrist a Titanic, ice in the glacier, it do damn it, ice, yeah, your nigga gon' panic, I see through a panic like a panoramic, hey, yeah, then get back to whipping, then get back to trapping, your nigga back at it, if it too crowded, might shoot out the roof and say let him come through, keep it 1,000 when I'm in the booth, I spent 2,000 to step in the shoes, gang gon' gang, how you think we gon' lose, back to back motorcade, that's how we move, on mama porch, I was sitting on the stool, when I hopped up, I took off to the moon,
oh my gosh, at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood, they think I'm back trapping again. Oh my gosh, back at it again. Hey, all my grizzly niggas stacking again. Hey, big up all that on me, packing again. Hey, keep a quarter on me, backpacking the Benz. My diamond like feature, bitch, I'm a yellow visa. Ice out in this freezer, just cop the Luigi. Oh, take it easy, you trippin', I'm leaving. Got drink in the freezer, this shit don't come easy. I'm trappin', I mean it. My belt double G me, that cooler, that heater. Take knots in your reader. I sent some shot through a nigga, white beater. Chopper knock a nigga out of his people. Don't call me little baby, I'm sorry, don't need you. Last month I got shot up, then went up on features. Body for body, my niggas some demons. We tip and tally, you busted and beat. Stopped in Atlanta, the booth with my Nina. Back in the day, used to trap in the beamer. I'm a true hustler, my bitch is a schemer. Skeet in her eyes and that little bitch a creamer. Oh my gosh, back at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood, they think I'm back trapping again. Oh my gosh, back at it again. Hey, all my grizzly niggas stacking again. Hey, big up all that on me, packing again. Hey, keep a quarter on me, backpacking the Benz.
With so froze I can't shake hands, I gotta give you a pound. With my bank account quadruple, think I'm still slanging pounds. Told them catching my vote for who tryna get this dope across the border. Grew up, I'm from East Atlanta, but stand my ground like it's Florida. Fuck the judge, fuck the bailiff, fuck the local reporter. Tell the hoe to my lawyer, grew up slicker than oil. Fuck the Don, wrote the raid to the truck with the off. Look like a Royce dealership every time I bring out my cars. Fucking stars by the park, neighborhood superstar. 24K, Bruno Mars, down to the drawers. I'm thinking large, talking old money, Chico the bars. Blue sound 20, futuristic, move in this park. Scoochie!
Oh my gosh, back at it again. In the kitchen whipping, I'm rapping again. Keep on playing, bitch, then I'm stabbing your friend. I'm in the hood, they think I'm back trapping again. Oh my gosh, back at it again. Hey, all my grizzly niggas stacking again. Hey, big up all that on me, packing again. Hey, keep a quarter on me, backpacking the Benz.
Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Still rockin' by money, bake. Sit back and roll on eight. Smoking that shit to the face. I call it cool, different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble, we come from the A. Strip breaking off, ain't waiting. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Bentley move, same. 2018, the new range. Slip through that shit, ease the pain. Like you was simple pain. Rico and Zach on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Drip on your bitch like a saint. I'm tryna stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like a tank. Wire that shit to the bank. How much you want for that rate? Ain't it for witches and I'm finna skate. Roll this scotch well in the face. Getting the rest at the stage. Put that little bitch in a place. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I put them blow the quarter. Diamonds as cold as water. Diamonds as cold as water. I'm tryna own the water. It's so the water. Bring out the rest of my business. Still shooting dice at the palace. I'm kinda cool, can we get it? And kinda he's still in the left. I treat it like whole like some max. They stick to the kid like a man. They suckin' for me, call me daddy. Slap face, I never forget. She probably didn't know she was with it. And she drip from my mouth to the titties. Had the move cause she fucked the whole city. I'm just saying that shit gon' be lit. But hater, I want you to admit it. I want you to expand your personal business. On the first, it gon' cost you some business. I put some hoes in Jimmy. Just tryna mold a me. My mother was old and stingy. Young nigga, I had to go get it. I had to go get it, me hold a 50. I put a hole in your kidney. She play with that no look like Whitney. She up for more than a penny. I put them hoes in order. I put them hoes in order. I went to blow the quarter. Diamonds as cold as water. Diamonds as cold as water. I'm tryna own the butter. It's so the water.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the meals. I try my best to record how I can record. I don't have tripods and all that fancy equipment. I just use my phone and my hands to record it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said in the beginning, it's hard to record and cook. Like, it takes hours. So I want to eat when I want to eat. So I'm probably not going to record that many videos. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time.
Talk when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low this one.